Curly hair can be a bit of a challenge to manage, but the right conditioning shampoo can make all the difference. In today's video, we're going to explore the best conditioning shampoos for curly hair. Whether you're looking for hydration, frizz control, or enhanced definition, we've got you covered. We'll dive deep into 5 top products: Briogeo, Moroccanoil, Maui Moisture, Redken, and Mizani, examining their features, benefits, and overall performance. Let's get started and find the perfect shampoo for your curly hair. Kicking off our list at number 1, Briogeo. The Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal Plus Tea Tree Scalp Treatment Shampoo is a standout product for curly hair. Infused with charcoal, tea tree oil, and witch hazel, this shampoo is designed to detoxify and refresh the scalp while moisturizing curls. It's perfect for curly hair types that need deep cleansing without stripping away natural oils. The formula balances the scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, and eliminates buildup, leaving your curls clean and hydrated. Key features: Briogeo Scalp Revival Shampoo contains activated charcoal, known for its ability to draw out impurities, toxins, and excess oil from the scalp. The tea tree oil offers anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits, helping to soothe irritation and reduce dandruff. Witch hazel helps tighten pores and control excess oil production, ensuring your scalp stays balanced. This shampoo is also free from sulfates, silicones, and parabens, making it safe for curly hair that requires gentler care. Benefits and usage: this shampoo is ideal for those with curly hair who struggle with scalp issues like dryness, itchiness, or dandruff. The detoxifying charcoal cleanses the scalp without overdrying the hair, while the tea tree oil helps reduce flakiness and irritation. It's recommended to use this shampoo 2 to 3 times a week for best results, especially if you're dealing with scalp buildup or greasy roots. Follow with a hydrating conditioner to maintain moisture levels. Usability: Briogeo Scalp Revival Shampoo is easy to use, with a creamy texture that lathers well and spreads evenly through your curls. You can use it on both wet hair and scalp for an effective cleansing session. Its formula is gentle enough to be used regularly without causing dryness or frizz, and the scalp brush included in some sets helps to evenly distribute the product and massage the scalp. It works efficiently even on thick, textured curly hair. Durability: with consistent use, the Briogeo Scalp Revival Shampoo offers long-term benefits for curly hair. The 500 ml bottle lasts for a significant amount of time due to its concentrated formula. As you continue using it, your curls will feel cleaner, softer, and more manageable. The natural ingredients ensure that it won't strip or damage the hair, leaving it strong and hydrated over time. In the second spot, we have Moroccanoil. Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo is a luxurious choice for curly hair that needs deep moisture and nourishment. Enriched with argan oil and keratin, this shampoo restores vitality to dry, brittle curls while strengthening and protecting them. The combination of natural antioxidants and nourishing ingredients makes it perfect for those who want to maintain soft, shiny, and healthy curls, even after multiple washes. Key features: Moroccanoil's Moisture Repair Shampoo is packed with argan oil, a powerful ingredient known for its ability to hydrate, restore, and protect hair. It also contains keratin, which helps to strengthen the hair shaft, preventing breakage and split ends. This shampoo is sulfate-free, making it safe for curly hair, as it avoids stripping away natural oils. The inclusion of fatty acids also helps keep curls smooth and manageable, while providing a deep cleanse. Benefits and usage: this shampoo works wonders for curly hair that feels dry, damaged, or overprocessed. It replenishes moisture, detangles knots, and gives curls a smooth, silky finish. For best results, use it every time you wash your hair, followed by a moisturizing conditioner from the same range. The formula is gentle, so it can be used daily or a few times a week, depending on your hair's needs. It will help restore the elasticity of your curls, making them look vibrant and bouncy. Usability: Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo has a smooth, creamy texture that makes it easy to apply to curly hair. The rich formula lathers well, so you don't need to use a large amount of product. It distributes evenly through your curls, ensuring that each strand gets the moisture it needs. Since it's sulfate-free, it's gentle enough for daily use, and it doesn't weigh down curls, which can be a common issue with other hydrating shampoos. Durability: a little goes a long way with Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo, and the 250 ml bottle can last for several months if used regularly. Over time, it helps rebuild the hair's moisture balance, providing long-term hydration and a noticeable improvement in the health of your curls. Its protective properties help reduce damage, keeping curls intact and minimizing frizz. The high-quality formula ensures that your curls stay soft, hydrated, and manageable for weeks after each use. Coming in at number 3 is the Maui Moisture. Maui Moisture Curl Quench Plus Coconut Oil Shampoo is a cult favorite for curly hair that needs moisture and definition. This shampoo is infused with coconut oil, papaya butter, and plumeria extract, providing essential nutrients that hydrate, soften, and enhance curl definition. The nourishing ingredients deeply penetrate each curl, making it ideal for curly hair that tends to get dry and frizzy. Key features: Maui Moisture's Curl Quench Shampoo features coconut oil, known for its deep conditioning properties, which helps to hydrate and smooth curls. It also contains aloe vera, which soothes the scalp and adds moisture to the hair. The formula is sulfate-free and made with natural ingredients, ensuring it's gentle on curly hair without stripping it of its natural oils. The shampoo's creamy consistency provides excellent slip, which is great for detangling and reducing frizz. Benefits and usage: the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Shampoo is designed to hydrate and define curls, making it a great option for curly hair that struggles with dryness and frizz. It's best to use this shampoo 2 to 3 times a week depending on your hair's needs, as it helps replenish moisture and prevent breakage. Follow up with a matching conditioner for enhanced moisture retention and curl definition. Over time, it will transform frizzy curls into soft, bouncy, and well-defined locks. Usability: this shampoo is incredibly easy to use due to its thick, creamy texture. It lathers well, allowing you to evenly distribute it through curly hair without using too much product. The formula helps untangle curls as you apply it, making it ideal for curly hair that's prone to knotting. It's suitable for all curl types, from loose waves to tight coils, and can be used on both wet hair and scalp. Durability: Maui Moisture Curl Quench Shampoo comes in a 385 ml bottle and is long-lasting due to its concentrated formula. With regular use, you'll see a noticeable improvement in the health of your curls, softer, more hydrated, and with better curl definition. This shampoo also works well as part of a routine to strengthen and revitalize curly hair, offering ongoing benefits with continued use. Expect curls to stay moisturized for days, reducing the need for constant touch-ups. Taking our 4th spot is Redken. Redken's Curvaceous Shampoo is specifically designed for curly hair, offering a high-performance, moisture-rich formula that helps manage and define curls. It's infused with Moroccanoil oil, sugar crystals, and UV filters, making it an excellent choice for curls that need hydration, control, and protection. This shampoo delivers the right balance of moisture and volume, helping to reduce frizz and enhance curl definition. Key features: Redken's Curvaceous Shampoo features Moroccanoil oil, which nourishes and moisturizes curly hair, as well as sugar crystals, which provide shine and lock-in moisture. The formula also contains UV filters to protect curls from the damaging effects of sun exposure. Redken's shampoo is sulfate-free, meaning it cleanses without stripping away natural oils, making it perfect for curly hair that requires gentle care and extra moisture. Benefits and usage: this shampoo is ideal for curly hair that needs frizz control and definition. The combination of Moroccanoil oil and sugar crystals adds moisture and shine while keeping curls soft and manageable. To achieve the best results, use this shampoo 2 to 3 times a week, followed by the Curvaceous conditioner for enhanced curl definition. The formula gently cleanses without drying out the hair, helping to keep curls hydrated and frizz-free. Usability: Redken's Curvaceous Shampoo is simple to apply and lathers beautifully, allowing for easy distribution through curly hair. It's lightweight enough to avoid weighing down curls while providing ample hydration. The formula is easy to rinse out, and curls feel soft and defined after each use. Since it's sulfate-free, you can use it frequently without worrying about dryness or frizz. The shampoo's smooth texture helps untangle curls, leaving hair detangled and easy to style. Durability: the 250 ml bottle of Redken Curvaceous shampoo lasts quite a while, as only a small amount is needed per wash. After regular use, your curls will look shinier, healthier, and more defined, thanks to its high-quality ingredients. With continued use, the shampoo helps maintain curl shape, volume, and hydration, ensuring long-lasting results. Expect to see soft, manageable curls with a noticeable reduction in frizz after just a few washes. At number 5, we have Mizani. Mizani's Moisture Fusion Shampoo is perfect for curly hair that requires a blend of moisture, softness, and manageability. This high-quality shampoo contains a combination of honey, mango butter, and shea butter, all designed to nourish, hydrate, and protect curls. The Moisture Fusion Shampoo deeply cleanses while leaving curly hair feeling soft, smooth, and full of life. Key features: Mizani's Moisture Fusion Shampoo is enriched with mango butter and shea butter, which are known for their deeply moisturizing properties. These ingredients work together to provide long-lasting hydration, making them ideal for curly hair that tends to dry out. The formula also contains honey, which seals moisture into the hair cuticle, preventing frizz and improving overall curl texture. It's sulfate-free, ensuring it won't strip away essential oils from curly hair. Benefits and usage: this shampoo is ideal for curly hair that needs moisture and nourishment. It helps reduce frizz and enhances curl definition, leaving hair soft, smooth, and healthy. It's recommended to use Mizani's Moisture Fusion Shampoo 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Pair it with a hydrating conditioner to lock in moisture and keep your curls looking their best. With regular use, expect bouncy, defined curls with less frizz and a more hydrated texture. Usability: Mizani's Moisture Fusion Shampoo is a luxurious, creamy product that's easy to apply and distribute through curly hair. It provides a rich lather, making it easy to massage into the scalp. The thick, hydrating formula deeply penetrates each curl, ensuring that they are moisturized from root to tip. It's ideal for curly hair that's prone to dryness, as the butter-rich formula nourishes and enhances curls without weighing them down. Durability: Mizani Moisture Fusion Shampoo comes in a 300 ml bottle, and because it's so concentrated, a little goes a long way. You can expect to see significant improvements in the hydration, texture, and manageability of your curls over time. The shampoo's nourishing ingredients help reduce dryness and frizz, leaving your curls soft and well-defined. With regular use, your curls will stay hydrated, bouncy, and frizz-free, making it an excellent choice for long-term curl care. When it comes to curly hair, the right conditioning shampoo can make a world of difference. Briogeo, Moroccanoil, Maui Moisture, Redken, and Mizani each offer unique solutions for hydration, frizz control, and curl definition. By incorporating these shampoos into your hair care routine, you can maintain healthy, vibrant curls that are easy to manage. Let us know in the comments which shampoo you've tried or are excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more product reviews. Stay curly and fabulous!